Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video. It's an empty house tour for our first Airbnb project. So we're actually going to do a full series of just us building our Airbnb business empire. We're doing this project with our friends who I'm going to link down below, so make sure that you check them out too because they really have a lot of great knowledge on Airbnb. So this is a project that we're doing in Kitchener, Ontario. It is a up-down duplex. So we've got a 3-bedroom, 1-bath apartment upstairs, and we got a 3-bedroom, 1-bath apartment downstairs. So we're actually going to be Airbnb-ing both the upstairs and the downstairs, really trying to maximize cash flow, make sure that we're getting the most out of this property. So the cool thing is we don't actually own this property. We're actually doing a strategy called Airbnb arbitrage, where we're renting this property from a landlord who is looking to have good tenants, us, rent the place, he's getting great rent on it, and then we're gonna turn around and we're gonna stage this property, get it all ready to go, and then list it up on Airbnb. And the plan is to make more than what we're paying in rent. So if you wanna learn more about Airbnb arbitrage and how that works, let me know down below and I can do a whole video on that. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe because we're gonna have a lot of cool content about Airbnb and building this business out. We're gonna have an after video showing you how it's all staged and how everything looks. And then we're gonna do a financial video where we're actually showing how much we're bringing in each month, what the numbers look like, what it costs us to set this up. In case you're interested in doing this business in your area, you can have all these numbers and facts and see if it works. So I think it's gonna be really cool. We're really excited to get going on this project. So let's hop right in and I'm gonna show you around. So here we have the completely renovated kitchen. What I really love about this kitchen, massive windows, a lot of natural light in here. We got this huge, beautiful farmhouse sink, stainless steel. I know Nicole loves these, black matte faucets. We got black matte hardware on everything. So it's really modern, really fresh, really up to date. We got a beautiful range hood here. So it's just gonna be a great kitchen for whoever rents this place to enjoy cooking meals, you know, getting things ready. It's just, yeah, a really great spot. A lot of natural light, like I would live here. So here we have the master bedroom. You can probably hear the echo, so that means it's a pretty good size. So I think with this bedroom, we're actually gonna have like an accent wall here with like some really cool, funky, beautiful wallpaper. The cool thing about this master bedroom is it actually has access to the outside, and there's actually a beautiful patio area that's gonna be set up. We're gonna have 2 kind of separate areas in the backyard, one for cooking, eating, and then another just like lounge area. So excited to get that set up because not a lot of Airbnbs you get that like cool, fun outdoor space. So that's one of the things that really drew us to this house. So we're excited for that. So as I mentioned, this is a 3-bedroom home. So I just showed you the master bedroom. We've got another 2 bedrooms here. So we got a nice second big, large bedroom there. And then we also have our 3rd bedroom here. So it's gonna be a great home. A family could rent this, or like I said, people coming up for work. And then finally we have the renovated bathroom. They did a great job here. We've got a beautiful double sink here. We've got a nice deep soaker tub here. Nice beautiful subway tile backsplash for the shower. And then of course we got the toilet there. You don't need to see that, it's not very exciting. And once again, we got another big window letting in a lot of natural light. Obviously we're gonna make sure it's frosted and tinted so no one can look in. But yeah, there's definitely a lot of light here. So the great thing about this house, as you saw, big windows everywhere, lots of natural light. Once this thing is fully finished and decked out, it's gonna look awesome. So like I said, make sure you stay tuned for that video because I think you're gonna be amazed at how cool this place looks once we have it all decked out and staged. Okay, so now we're in the basement apartment. This is a beautiful basement apartment. These guys did a great job on it. The thing that you usually get with a basement apartment is it's dark, it's kind of dingy, but I mean, we've got like massive, massive windows here letting in a lot of light. We're in the kitchen. It does not feel like a basement apartment. It just feels like you're upstairs because of all the light coming in. So the cool thing is this kitchen really mimics the upstairs, as you probably noticed. So same countertop, same range hood, same black hardware. We got the same beautiful farmhouse sink and the same black matte faucet, so it really ties in. Yeah, this is probably like a lot nicer than any apartment that I've been into that's in a basement. So I just showed you that kitchen, and now I'm in like the living room, dining room. It's open concept, big, bright, open here. We've got 1 bedroom there. It's a smaller bedroom, so probably good for a kid, or you could turn into an office. We've got another bedroom there, like the master bedroom, which is a good big size. We've got our second, third bedroom here. Then we got a huge bathroom. It's actually bigger than the upstairs bathroom, which I think when you're in a basement apartment, it's kind of nice to have that extra space. It feels more roomy. And then when you combine that with all the light that's coming in here, it doesn't feel like a basement apartment. So I did call this an empty house tour, but as you can see, it's not quite empty anymore. So we just had a big delivery from IKEA with a lot of the stuff that we're gonna start getting set up and getting this place staged and ready to go. So not quite an empty house tour, but we're excited to get this all set up and get everything staged. So there you have it, guys. That is the empty house tour of our first Airbnb project. As you can tell from the smile on my face, I'm really excited about this. And we're just looking to grow this to hundreds and hundreds of units over the next few years. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification button so you don't miss out on this journey as we build this Airbnb empire. We're gonna just be doing stuff here in Canada. We're gonna go down to the States. Like, this is just gonna be big. And I think you'll wanna see what we're doing. It's gonna be fun and exciting. So make sure you subscribe, leave a comment down below if you wanna see anything, or if you have any cities you recommend for us to try Airbnb, leave that down below, and I'll see you next week.